Is a policy delivery receipt always required for life insurance? Imagine finally getting your life insurance policy and wondering if you need to sign a special paper to prove you received it. That's what a policy delivery receipt is all about. It's a document you sign to confirm you got your policy and understand its terms. Whether you need one depends on how your policy is delivered and where you live. When your insurer sends the policy by mail or hands it to you in person, a signed delivery receipt is usually needed. This receipt acts as proof that you received the policy and that the insurer has met their obligation. It also marks the date the policy was delivered, which is important because it starts the clock for your free look period. During this time, you can review the policy and cancel if you change your mind. If your policy is delivered electronically, such as through email or an online portal, the insurer generally asks for some kind of acknowledgement or signed receipt. This is to follow electronic transaction laws and make sure you receive the document. Sometimes, you might click a box or sign an electronic form to confirm receipt. What happens if you don't sign or get a delivery receipt? The insurer might have a harder time proving they delivered the policy if there's a dispute later. Some laws say that if you pay premiums for a certain period, like 6 months, the policy is considered delivered even without a signed receipt. But it's still best practice to get one. Most insurance companies and regulators recommend obtaining a delivery receipt. It protects both you and the insurer by showing you received the policy and understood what it covers. In some cases, such as with home service or direct agent delivery, a receipt is required by law. So, is a policy delivery receipt always needed? Not in every single case, but it is very common and highly recommended. It's especially important when the policy is physically handed over or mailed. Electronic deliveries also usually requiring some form of acknowledgement. Without it, there could be challenges proving the policy was delivered. In short, getting a signed delivery receipt is a smart step in the process. It helps make sure everything is clear and that your rights are protected. Always ask your insurer if a receipt is needed and keep a copy for your records.